Hi angels, welcome back to another shoes DIY. Just a little heads up, we're going to be doing a lot of custom shoes because that's where my creativity is taking me at this moment in time. So for this DIY, we're going to be doing some Louis Vuitton custom sneakers. I got these sneakers from Dollar General. They were only $5. I love it. And obviously the design, I got it from the Shoes Girl. I think that's it. But trust me, I will leave it in the description box down below so you can just click on it and order it if you want to order it. And you're also going to need some scissors and a mini iron. And that's basically all you're going to need. These are really easy and simple to make, so let's get straight into the video. So first thing first, I'm matching it up onto the sneakers. Then the extra fabric, not fabric, but the extra that I have up top, I'm just cutting it off so that I can match the shoes perfectly. So when I run the iron over it, then you're good to go. You're going to see what I mean when I say run the iron over it. But we're using the same method as we use in the last two DIYs. So nothing quite new. By the way, I'm sorry, I have my blinds open and I'm right by my bed, so there's a lot of sunshine coming in, so that's why there's like little white spots. But I'm gonna zoom in closer and you guys are gonna have a better look of everything. Just a little heads up, like a little FYI, this only takes 10 seconds. Just run the iron all the way over it, wait until you see the plastic on it starts shriveling up. You know, like when you put heat on something, on a plastic, it starts shriveling up. That's when you know it's good to go. That's when you know that you have applied enough heat and you can remove it. So that's what I learned while doing this. Just run the iron all the way across, press down on it a little bit, leave it on there for like a few seconds, and just peel it off. And you're good to go. By the way, while you're doing this, you're going to see that the plastic is starting to lift up because obviously it starts sticking on everything. The design starts sticking to the shoes. That's fine. You can either remove it or keep going so you can fully finish your design. So this is the fun part where we're going to be removing the plastic off of it. If while you're removing, you're realizing that the design did not stick down, simple. That means that it didn't get enough heat, so just run the iron back over it again, leave it on there for a few seconds, and remove it. It's just that simple. And voila, look at how perfect it is. I'm so happy. So we're going to be doing this all over the shoes. Where there's extra up top or at the bottom, just use your scissors to just clip it off. And this is basically the whole video. This is pretty self-explanatory. Explanatory. You know what I mean? I can't say it. It's the accent. I can't say it. But this is really, really simple and easy. And you can do, they have a ton of designs. So you can do this to like a lot of sneakers, a lot of shoes, whatever. Design anything. Turn anything old into something new. So yeah. Okay. Bye. You see how quickly I just did that? I told you guys. It only takes a few seconds until it's stuck down onto the shoes. You don't need it on here for long. So this is the final product. This is how the shoes turned out. I don't know how to model shoes, but yeah, this is how it looks. I absolutely love it. Obviously, the iron was a little hot and I burned a little bit of the lace, but that's okay. You can hardly see it, but I love these. These are amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.